If you're preparing for the designing and implementing a Microsoft Azure AI solution, it's important to understand what this certification is designed to measure. AI 102 is not just about calling AI APIs or deploying a simple machine learning model. The exam focuses on how developers design and implement intelligent solutions using Azure AI services within secure and scalable cloud architectures. In this video, we'll move beyond theory and walk through 5 exam-level scenario questions that test solution architecture decisions, AI service integration, and implementation strategies, the key skills required to pass the AI 102 certification. Question number 1. A company is building a chatbot using Azure OpenAI that must answer questions based only on internal policy documents stored in Azure Blob Storage. The organization wants to minimize hallucinations and ensure answers reference internal documents. What is the most appropriate architecture? Option A. Fine-tune the foundation model using all internal documents. Option B. Implement Retrieval Augmented Generation (RAG) using Azure AI Search to retrieve documents before generating responses. Option C. Increase the model temperature to allow more detailed responses. Option D. Store documents directly in the system prompt for every query. Option B is correct because Retrieval Augmented Generation combines document retrieval with generative models, ensuring the AI response is grounded in enterprise data. Azure AI Search retrieves relevant documents, which are then provided as context to the model, reducing hallucinations and improving accuracy. Question number 2. A development team needs to ensure secure authentication when an application accesses Azure Cognitive Services APIs without storing credentials in code. What should they implement? Option A. Store API keys and application configuration files. Option B. Use managed identities with Azure role-based access control. Option C. Hardcode service keys and environment variables. Option D. Share a common API key across all applications. Option B is correct because managed identities allow Azure services to authenticate securely to other Azure services without storing secrets in code. Combined with role-based access control, this approach enhances security and reduces credential management risks. Question number 3. A company wants to extract printed and handwritten text from scanned documents and automatically process them for data entry into business systems. Which Azure AI service should be used? Option A. Azure AI Language. Option B. Azure AI Vision OCR capabilities within Document Intelligence. Option C. Azure Machine Learning AutoML regression models. Option D. Azure Cognitive Search. Option B is correct because managed identities allow Azure services to authenticate securely to other Azure services without storing secrets in code. Combined with role-based access control, this approach enhances security and reduces credential management risks. Question number 4. A development team deploys a machine learning model in Azure Machine Learning for real-time predictions. They want to detect when incoming production data significantly differs from training data. What should they implement? Option A. Increase compute resources for model inference. Option B. Disable model logging to reduce latency. Option C. Configure data drift monitoring in Azure Machine Learning. Option D. Deploy additional virtual machines for scaling. Option C is correct because data drift monitoring identifies changes in data distributions between training data and production data. Detecting drift ensures models remain accurate and alerts engineers when retraining may be required. Question number 5. A company wants to ensure that AI-generated outputs comply with ethical standards and do not produce harmful or inappropriate responses. What controls should be implemented? Option A. Increase model complexity to improve accuracy. Option B. Remove content logging to improve performance. Option C. Use Azure OpenAI content filtering and responsible AI governance controls. Option D. Disable moderation policies to reduce latency. Option C is correct, because Azure OpenAI includes built-in content filtering and moderation capabilities to detect and prevent harmful, offensive, or unsafe outputs. Implementing responsible AI governance ensures compliance with ethical AI principles and reduces reputational risk. For complete exam preparation, visit certprep.io, where you'll find high-quality practice questions, exam simulations, and expert-designed study materials to help you pass with confidence.